long timelines till AGI starts. We start the takeoff period
Yep.
next year or in 20 years.
20 years.
And then it takes 1 year or 10 years.
Welcome to the future of AI. In today's video, we'll explore Iris, the world's first self-learning Proto AGI that's pushing the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can do. With its ability to evolve, learn autonomously, and adapt to multiple fields, Iris is shaping up to be a game changer in the tech world.
Solve lots of problems that we're not thinking about with AI. It's not just about, replacing the engineering grunt work or necessarily, solving spherical harmonics, but there are opportunities to use these technologies today. There's nothing preventing us from doing this, right? To create systems that can address other fundamental human needs.
What is Iris? The breakthrough Proto AGI. Iris, or Artificial Intelligence Reconfigurable Integrated System, is being hailed as the world's first self-learning Proto AGI. Unlike traditional AI, which is designed to complete specific tasks, Iris is a more advanced system that adapts and learns from its environment, continuously evolving in a way that is closer to how humans learn and think. Iris is not fully autonomous like a complete artificial general intelligence, AGI, but it represents a major leap forward in that direction. This Proto AGI can independently process information, make decisions, and improve its performance based on feedback, all without human intervention. Iris is still in its early stages, but it's already demonstrating impressive abilities, including multidisciplinary knowledge processing and adaptive learning algorithms. As it develops, Iris could pave the way for the emergence of true AGI, making it one of the most exciting technological breakthroughs in the AI field. The journey to AGI. What's the difference between AI and AGI? Before diving deeper into Iris, it's important to understand the distinction between AI, artificial intelligence, and AGI, artificial general intelligence. Traditional AI is designed to perform specific tasks, like recognizing faces, translating languages, or playing chess. It excels in narrow fields, but its abilities are limited to the tasks it was trained for. On the other hand, AGI is a more advanced concept. It's an AI system that has the capacity to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like a human being. Unlike narrow AI, AGI can adapt to new and unforeseen situations, generalizing its knowledge beyond its initial programming. Iris, as a Proto AGI, lies somewhere in between. It's still learning and evolving, but its self-learning capabilities bring it closer to the AGI ideal, where machines can think and reason as humans do. The self-learning algorithm. How does Iris evolve? One of the most fascinating features of Iris is its self-learning algorithm. Unlike traditional AI, which requires constant human input and pre-programmed rules, Iris learns and adapts based on its environment. This means it doesn't just follow preset instructions. It learns from experience and refines its behavior accordingly. The more Iris interacts with data, the better it becomes at understanding patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. This process is similar to how humans learn through trial and error, feedback, and adaptation. The self-learning algorithm allows Iris to continuously improve without the need for human intervention, making it a truly autonomous system. As Iris interacts with the world, it evolves in a way that traditional AI can't, paving the way for machines that are not just tools, but self-sufficient, intelligent entities. Key features of Iris. What makes it so advanced? Iris is packed with groundbreaking features that set it apart from traditional AI systems. Some of its most notable capabilities include adaptive learning, which allows it to continuously evolve based on new experiences and data. Unlike conventional AI, which requires humans to train it for specific tasks, Iris can self-train and adjust its methods without external input. Another key feature is its ability to process and integrate cross-disciplinary knowledge, making it versatile across a wide range of fields, from healthcare to engineering. Iris is also designed for continuous improvement, meaning it doesn't just perform its tasks, it refines and enhances its own performance over time. This makes it incredibly advanced, as it combines multiple aspects of learning, reasoning, and problem-solving, pushing it closer to the realm of true artificial general intelligence, AGI. The role of Iris in solving complex problems. Iris has the potential to tackle some of the most complex problems that humanity faces today. Due to its self-learning and adaptation capabilities, it can process vast amounts of data and extract meaningful patterns and insights that would be too difficult for humans or traditional AI to handle. For example, in medical diagnoses, Iris could analyze large data sets to detect diseases earlier, recommend personalized treatment plans, or even simulate potential drug interactions. In the realm of climate change, Iris could predict long-term trends and propose sustainable solutions based on evolving environmental data. Its problem-solving abilities are not confined to one field. Iris can apply its learning to various domains, from economic models to global crisis management, making it a versatile and valuable tool for addressing some of the world's toughest challenges. The ethical concerns. Is Iris too advanced for humanity? With Iris's revolutionary capabilities comes a growing concern about its ethical implications. As a self-learning Proto AGI, Iris has the potential to evolve beyond human control, raising questions about whether its intelligence could outpace our ability to manage or understand it. One key concern is autonomy. As Iris learns and adapts, there may be risks associated with its decision-making processes, particularly in areas like healthcare or military applications. Could it make unpredictable choices that may not align with human values or ethics? Another challenge is accountability. If Iris makes a harmful decision, who's responsible for its actions? The potential for misuse or weaponization is also a pressing issue. As Iris continues to evolve, it's crucial to establish strict ethical guidelines, ensure transparency in its development, and put safeguards in place to ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly. Iris versus current AI models, a game changer? Iris is fundamentally different from today's mainstream AI models, which are typically task-specific and require heavy human intervention for training. While traditional AI systems are designed to solve one problem at a time, like detecting objects in images or recommending content, Iris takes a much more holistic approach. It has the ability to learn autonomously across various domains, improving its performance over time with minimal human involvement. This means Iris could perform a broad range of tasks, from solving scientific problems to making real-time decisions in complex situations, something current AI models can't do. Its self-learning nature makes it more adaptive and resilient, setting it apart from other AI technologies, which often fail to generalize to new or unexpected tasks. Iris doesn't just complete tasks. It evolves as it learns, offering more flexibility and potential than anything we've seen before in the AI world. The future of Iris. Can we reach true AGI? As Iris continues to evolve, the next big question is, can we reach true AGI? While Iris is still in the Proto AGI stage, its ability to self-learn, adapt, and integrate knowledge across multiple disciplines suggests we might be closer to achieving artificial general intelligence than we previously thought. Iris is the first major step towards AGI, and its progress could have profound implications for how we approach AI development in the future. Potential applications. What could Iris do for us? The potential applications of Iris are truly limitless, and its self-learning capabilities open up a whole new world of possibilities. In medicine, Iris could revolutionize patient care by predicting diseases before they become critical, suggesting personalized treatments and even designing new drugs. In education, it could create adaptive learning platforms, providing students with customized curriculums that evolve based on their progress and needs. For environmental protection, Iris could analyze vast amounts of climate data to predict changes and propose solutions to mitigate environmental damage. In transportation, Iris could optimize traffic systems, create autonomous vehicles that learn from real-world data, and improve logistics efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about the potential of Iris and its impact on the future of AI, hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting updates. What do you think? Could Iris lead us to true AGI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching Top AI. See you in the next AI story.